Today the makeup look is going to be a Jenny's choice. I'm going to begin with eyes, and I'm going to use the Milk Concealer again. Let me pin this boop-de-boop out of the way. I'm still experimenting with my curly hair products. I'll share them with you when I get it straightened out, when I get it figured out. All right, the Milk Flex Concealer. I'm going to use this It Cosmetics brush. I believe it's a Airbrush blending something. I'll list it right here when I edit. I'm going to go ahead and use this Flex Concealer all the way around. So Pat went to Costco because he likes to buy the meat there. I did not go with him because I do not want to go and be a sheeple. I'll let you know in the next video if he got as aggravated with Costco as I got with Walmart. I think he really enjoys grocery shopping. So I'll let him do it. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Icon palette. I'm going to begin with a doo-doo brown, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone like that. And this is a Morphe brush. It happens to be a clean brush at the moment. That's really got a lot of pigment. I may have to come back with another clean brush to buff that out further. So I want to experiment with the green mascara again today. Let me know in the comments if you want to hear about my new hair products. I'm thinking summertime's a good time to go curly. Only thing is I want it to look intentional. I don't want it to look like I can't do any better. You know what I'm saying? That's why I purchased curly hair products. I want it to look like I'm going curly on purpose, not because I'm lazy. All right, I don't know what color that, I think this is that palette that's so aggravating. It's Diva Eyes. It's number 3 in the Diva Eyes row. This one is what I'm working with. And then I'm going to put the first one in, what is that row? That is the Day Eyes. I'm going to do the first one. It's a real light. And I'm going to use this brush that's shaped like a lid. It's Soft Focus Shader E52. I love the shape of this brush, because you can take it, practically cover the whole lid. So we're watching Dead to Me with Christina Applegate. I'm not watching it as much as Pat is. I've been napping during it. I'm still waking up at 3:30 in the morning and trying to stay in bed until 4. Then I'm going to go underneath my eyes with the first color, the top color in Disco Eyes, and it's a green. I'm going to put that underneath, and also I'm going to draw it straight out from the corner of my eye. I've heard rumors that things are going to start opening up around here. I'm pretty jazzed about that. All right, I decided to do the whole outer V with this green. It's a beautiful day outside. I need to quit faffing around in the house with makeup and get outside and play. I'm just building. This color seems to take a while to build. Now, I'm gonna take the green, my favorite green, from Makeup Forever, and put it on my tight line. I guess I'll put it between my lashes on the bottom. So between my lashes on the bottom, my knuckles are dirty because I tried to cram my hand down in a candle to get it lit. And I'm flicking this pencil on the outer corner. Let's do brows. I'm going to put some brow gel. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills this time. Let that set up a little bit, and then I'm going to brush through it. I'm going to take my green mask. I wanted to try an experiment. I'm going to put the Cobalt blue on first. Love the way this mascara smells. Wonder if that's one of the things you're not supposed to sniff. Really smells good. I'll get the inside corner. Boy, it is really pretty outside. I bet by the time I get my chair set up out there, the sun will go behind the clouds. I know, that's what I get for flopping around this morning. But you have to admit, the lighting is better, is it not? So I have another green mascara coming. I ordered it while I was editing the green mascara video. And I'll show you that when we get it. I'm not going to ruin the surprise by telling you where I got it from. Okay, now I'm putting the green over the top. I'm still using the Rodan and Fields faithfully every night. All right, I'm liking the way that looks. It's always good, right, when you like your look? I'm going to use the spoolie on the end of my brow pencil to give me stand-up brows. And then I'm going to use I'm going to get another pencil that I like the color, and I'm going to fill in this little hole, and that little hole there. I'm trying to make that easier on myself. I usually spend a ton of time on. All right, now I'm going to take the Sisley. Every time I edit, I hear myself say Sisley, and I don't think it has that many syllables. Sisley. This stuff feels amazing. I think I'll have to turn tricks though to afford it. This is a sample. It's a nice sample. And I'm going to use my Wet n Wild foundation again. Let's see, can we use a different brush? Just to switch it up. Okay, I can't reach another brush, so we're going to use this brush. And I'm going to pull out my dipstick. And the color I have is cream beige. The lip color I have on is a MAC Christmas lip gloss. I was just experimenting. I don't know if that's the color I'm going to settle on for this look. It's a red lip gloss. I think it's Jingle My Jangle. Joy to Enjoy. but it's a red lip gloss. And I spreaded it out real thin so it wouldn't be in your face red. It's obviously a blue red, right? Because it looks pink now, which is good. So one of you girls wanted me to take a look at the makeover guy, and I did, but I got aggravated because I couldn't find a video that was actually a makeover. It was him petting their head and talking about their hair. So I got aggravated and never did see a video, I guess, an actual makeover. If you still want me to look at that, I mean, I do want to look at it. Would you leave me a link for your favorite one that he's done? I did watch one where I think 78-year-old, I don't think it was his mother. Maybe it was his mother. I don't know. Was doing her own makeup and putting her wig on. That was pretty good. Okay, I got that nice and smoothed out. Just a nice thin application. Get those brows back up again. Ugh. They always want to fall down. Wow, the mail truck. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. I'm using some Loreal. It's a single shadow. I think they have this color still, but I think it's maybe in a kit. I do think that the green mascara is greener. My neighbor has a love affair with his blower, and he blows every Sunday. And back when we used to go to Whole Foods and get a MSG nap, he would start that freaking blowing. Anyway, other than that, they're decent neighbors. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier underneath my eyes because I love the way it gives it it really perfects under your eyes. I do it for that reason more than, to set. I don't think my under eyes need setting. I just love the way this stuff looks underneath my eyes. I want to contour my nose. I'm using the Laura Mercier instead of the Fenty today. And I'm going to take the darkest vein from this to contour. This is one of those baked products that has veining in it. And I'm taking the darkest. Oh yeah, the other thing I wanted to tell you is I'm going to go back to my old schedule now that things are starting to open up. What was it? Monday, Wednesday, Friday? Hopefully I'm going to be busy with makeup jobs and I won't have as much time to film. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a heads up that I'm not laying low because of some troll or something. I'm just working. I seem to have lost my touch for contouring my nose, the end of my nose especially. While the camera was cooling, I added to my lips, I added the Ford Collin. I think is it the Boys and Girls collection? It's one of these little tiny ones. And the color's Collin. And now I'm taking the Laura Mercier Ritual and I'm using it as a blush bronzer. And then I want to use a highlight. And I think I'm going to use the swish part of this Charlotte Tilbury blush. And it's Love is the Drug. So I'm going to use the swish part with the outer ring on my high cheekbones. Like that. Seem to be a little darker on the side. Just a smidge more mascara. And I don't know. I'll let you judge whether that shows up anymore or not. I'm going to take a highlight palette. It's the highlighting palette Cleopatra's Kiss from Sleek. I'm going to take one of these and put it on my Cupid's bow. Well, that one's not showing. There we go. And I think I'm going to put it on the inside corner of my eye also. Guess I'll just use my finger for that. I can't seem to get my contouring on my nose right. All right. I'm going to zhuzh my hair and then I'm going to come back and show you the final look. All right, this is my final look. So that's my look using the green mascara again. I can't say whether the green shows up anymore with the cobalt blue underneath, but I'm betting out in the sunshine it'll be an interesting look. Let me know again in the comments if you want to hear about the new curly hair products that I bought. And it was, as always, it was good to spend time with you girls, and I look forward to chatting in the comments. Y'all have a great evening, and I'll see you soon. Ta-ta.